Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another miserable day in Scotland. So for those of you that are new to the channel, my name's Dave and I rebuild stuff. Well, for the most part, I do actually have to get help from friends every once in a while. So in today's video, what I thought we'd do is a quick 10-minute rebuild on this BRZ now that it's finished. And I'll also give a price breakdown on how much it cost me, because I'm pretty sure this is one of the cheapest BRZs in the UK at the moment. Now, if you are new to the channel, consider clicking the subscribe button for me, and if everybody could smash the thumbs up for me, that'd be awesome. So before we jump back in time and take a look at how bad this car was to begin with, I won the car at auction for £3,700. As you can see, it's a 64 plate, so it's a 2014, and it's done around 63,000 miles, which I think is an absolute steal. And by the time you add in auction fees and the delivery to the house, the running total at the moment is £5,235. So it did cost me quite a bit of money to get it sitting in my driveway. So anyway, with that, let's crack on, get this rebuild underway. So the new headlights, wing, bonnet, bumper, radiators, crash panel, water bottles, all that stuff. I got all of that for £1,800 on eBay, which I thought was an absolute bargain. The Mishimoto airbox was $330, paint was $200, bonnet hinges were £80 each. So in total, this car fully complete was £7,744.98. So unless somebody can prove me otherwise, pretty sure this is one of the cheapest BRZs in the UK as it sits to date. So anyway, with that, I'm now going to go and take this thing for a test drive because I've still not driven it yet and I've owned it for nearly 3 months. And as always, I hope you're keeping well and I hope you're keeping safe. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.